when the rubber hits the road, when you actually need to be making offers, you need to be in and out of properties quickly.
Hey, it's Kevin Amolsch, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on Facebook, you found us here on YouTube. Please help us out. Hit like, hit subscribe. We're trying to build a channel so we can help more real estate investors just like you. I got another fantastic guest today. Mr. Justin Cooper is going to teach you 2 more tips on how to be a successful real estate investor for beginners. So what's 2 tips to help beginning real estate investors, Justin?
Yeah, so I think one of the biggest things that people need to do is get out of their comfort zone when you're getting into any new venture. But real estate investing specifically, you need to be networking. So you need to be networking with lenders like ourselves. Everybody needs a hard money lender, whether you have a ton of cash or not. So network with lenders. Please reach out to us at Pine Financial Group. Reach out and network with real estate agents. Reach out and network with other investors. Go to real estate investor associations, RIAs. You can get on meetup.com, meet folks, and just get out of your comfort zone and go and talk to people. Whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, you really need to get out and meet new people, because by expanding your network, you're going to expand the number of leads and deals and properties you're going to look at. So the more people you talk to, the more properties are going to come to you to help you get started and get going in your investing career.
Yeah, and that's a great one. That's actually one of my first steps I tell people to do too. Go out there and start learning at the networking events from the person on stage and start meeting new people. Meetup.com, fantastic advice, Justin. What's the next one?
The second piece of advice would be to walk more properties, get into more homes. Go to as many open houses as you can. The open houses are generally the pretty product. So if you're gonna try and be a fix and flipper and you're trying to buy ugly properties, you need to know what you're gonna be doing to those properties. And the way to know that is to walk the open houses and see more pretty properties to know what that finished product should look like. And then on the other side, because you've been networking with wholesalers and investors and real estate agents, get into more ugly properties. By getting into and walking more ugly properties, you're gonna understand more of what needs to happen to the property. So you know the end line by walking the open houses. Now you know the start line of how ugly they are, and you got to connect the dots, right? And you're going to connect the dots through your scope of work. By walking more properties, you're going to see more things that need to get done. You're going to get more comfortable with being in and out of properties faster, because when the rubber hits the road, when you actually need to be making offers, you need to be in and out of properties quickly and putting together your scope of work really quickly. You may not have an hour to walk through a property. You got to get in and out fast, and really it just comes down to putting in the reps, getting experience, and walking through more houses.
That's some great advice, Mr. Cooper. What I love most about those is they're free. So networking, going to meetups, and walking properties. I love those 2 pieces of advice. Anything else before we close out?
I think that'll do it for this video.
All right, so check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com.